Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ExpressVPN on a Netgear router, full guide. Guys, I'll walk you through installing ExpressVPN to secure your entire network, plus explain why NordVPN's a better choice. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's dive in. First, ensure your Netgear router is compatible. Models like R6300V2, R6700V3, or Nighthawk R7000 work with ExpressVPN's firmware. On a computer, go to expressvpn.com, sign in, and navigate to Set up your device's router. Select your router model from the drop-down and click Download Firmware. To get the check file, copy the activation code shown. You'll need it later. Connect your Netgear router to the internet via your modem. Access the router's admin panel by typing 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net into your browser. Log in with admin and password or your custom credentials. Go to the Advanced tab, select Administration, Router Update, click Browse, choose the ExpressVPN check file, and hit Upload. The router will flash and restart in about 5 minutes. Don't unplug it. After restarting, connect your device to the router's Wi-Fi. Open a browser and go to expressvpnrouter.com. Click Get Started, paste the activation code, and follow the prompts to set a new Wi-Fi name, password, and router admin password. Unique tip: use a unique admin password, not your Wi-Fi password, to prevent unauthorized access. Connect to a server like USA New York for streaming or privacy. If the firmware won't install, hard reset your router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, then try again. Check expressvpn.com/support for help. ExpressVPN's great with 3,000 plus servers in 105 countries, but NordVPN is better. NordVPN offers 8,000 plus servers in 126 countries, often cheaper. Plans start at $3 a month versus ExpressVPN's $8 plus. Its NordLynx protocol ensures faster streaming, and CyberSec blocks ads. NordVPN supports 10 devices versus ExpressVPN's 8, with audited no-logs privacy. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.